In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default event duration in Google Calendar. This is a useful feature to save time and ensure that your calendar reflects your schedule preferences. Whether you want your meetings to last 15 minutes or an hour by default, you can customize it easily. Let's get started by going through the steps together. First, we'll need to navigate to Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Calendar into the search bar. When you see the search results, click on the first link provided. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar website. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you may need to sign in if you haven't done so already. Enter your email address in the email field. After typing in your email, click the Next button to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've typed in your password, click Next again to log into your Google Calendar account. Now that you've successfully logged into Google Calendar, let's adjust the event settings. Inside your calendar, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings to access the more detailed settings options for your calendar. In the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. For our purposes, we're interested in event settings, so go ahead and click on it. This section gives you control over various default settings for your calendar events. Now locate the option that says Default Duration. This setting allows you to modify how long new events are scheduled for by default. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here you can select the duration you prefer for your events. Options typically range from 15 minutes to 120 minutes, so pick the one that best suits your scheduling needs. This adjustment can streamline your calendar management by automatically setting all new events to the selected duration, saving you from manually changing it each time you create an event. By customizing the default event duration, you're essentially shaping how your calendar behaves, making it more aligned with your personal or professional needs. Once you've made your selection, your new setting will be saved automatically, and all future events will default to this duration unless specified otherwise. And that's it! You've now successfully set your default event duration in Google Calendar. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage your time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!